Alrighty guys, here we go. I'm going to go ahead and start this unboxing here. Take a couple photos here. Hope everybody's having a great day. Alright. Yeah, box is very sturdy. It's got a lot of the information on the back as well. 24 centimeters, blade with teeth on each side. It's got a laser printed ruler on there, we'll show you that. Got a T-handle. It's got a wide footrest and double-sided bottle openers, baby. Hey, can't get that. So whoever came up with that idea is boss, man. Alright, so this way. May have to stop the video in a second. My wife's coming home from getting her hair done. We're going to Camp Freedom tonight for their appreciation dinner. Hope to see some of you guys there. I know that we posted up on the page about it and stuff, so gonna get a picture here. Alright. Let's see. I know we took it out of the box. I believe this is the one that Dwight we had taken out of the box to show a couple people at Florida Hunt 7. So what you do is you got your one part here. Let me take you guys over here. Hang on 1 second, guys. Take you guys over here real quick. You can see, just easier to do it this way. This is the one. The second part will pop in there. We'll come over. Stainless steel shovel. It says right there. You got your one bottle opener there. You got another bottle opener there. And then if you flip it over, check it out. They have it in inches there, and then centimeters on the other side. Obviously. Alrighty, guys. Second portion of the shovel is the T-handle. It's got the Nokta macro name right on there. I noticed when I grabbed it, they have a little bit of lubrication on here, so you can, sometimes things get packaged for a while. So, you want to make sure that the moving parts that are supposed to move, they move. So I'm going to go ahead and put you guys up on the pedestal, and then we'll click this bad boy together and take a look at it. Alright guys, stand by. Man, she's looking beast. Alrighty guys. So we've got the two parts here. Obviously it's pretty much common sense. Dwight did show us how to put it together at Florida Hunt 7. Obviously you got the little things that you kind of have to press in to get it into the shaft there, and then as you adjust it to the size or the height that you want, I mean this will go all the way down to. That'll be the smallest. That's the lowest point on there. I need a higher shovel because need something to lean on as I'm walking. Because man, sometimes places that we go to hunt, you're walking for a good hour. Sometimes you never know. But all right, so let's pop this together. Get it in there. Boom! Look at that. You can't. There's no denying that locked in place. Look at that. Now there is a slight little wobble there, but I think it's because it's extended, most extended point. Let's try it. Let's go down another notch. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it gets a little bit more durable. It gets a little bit more sturdy as you bring it down. So, see if I can swing this around. Alrighty guys, so this would be the third mark down on the gotta see if you guys can, if I get that on the camera. So 1, 2, 3, 4, so we still can go down one more to break it down even smaller. So let's see here and see what we can come up with here. Oh, there we go. There we go. So that's the smallest that you can get the shovel. Well, obviously you could break it down even smaller for travel. So, you know, if you're putting it in a backpack, I mean, you could strap it on the back, or you can, you know, just take it out, and put it in your backpack like that. Or get some zip tie strap, or not zip tie, Velcro straps, strap it together, and then strap it on the outside of your pack. Now, mind you, it is shiny stainless steel, so, you know, if you're hiking, this might attract attention, I don't know if of animals or not, but, so, that is the unboxing of the Nokta Macro Shovel. Again, I want to thank Dwight with Nokta, Florida's Nomad, and representative of Nokta for always supporting my events, all the Florida hunts that we've come to know each other from. He's a good friend, so definitely gonna look forward to using this bad boy in the next day or so. So look for that in my next video. Again, thank you, Nokta. It was a gift that I didn't know was coming, and I really do appreciate it. There's only about 4 of these in the world, 5 of these maybe. There might be more out there right now, but at the time of Florida Hunt 7, when I received this as a gift, there was only 4 of them that were out in people's hands. So I look forward to trying it. So yeah, you guys stay safe, and we'll catch you on the next video, guys.